Huli man daw at magaling ay naihahabol din. So before the month ends, May being my Unica Apo's 4th birthday month, gawa tayo ng banana upside down cake. So for today's vlog, Gianna will do the intro. Let's all welcome Gianna Ayemi.
Welcome on my vlog. Welcome.
First, we'll do our cake base. We will caramelize our white and brown sugar with softened butter and hot water mixture. Add in natin yung softened butter when our sugar starts to crystallize. Then, add 1/4 cup hot water. Stir and let it simmer until it is reduced into a creamy texture. Palamigin natin ng sandali and then we'll pour it into our prepared baking dish and set aside. Now, let's peel our bananas and cut natin ang pahaba and we'll arrange it over our caramelized sugar base. Then we will mash the rest of our bananas and set aside. Meanwhile, let's do our cake batter. Let's put 1/4 cup white sugar into our 3 eggs. Add in 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence and whisk until the mixture becomes foamy. Sift in 1 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 2 tablespoons cooking oil para maging moist ang cake natin, and half a stick of butter. And then we will whisk again to evenly mix all the ingredients. Then, let's fold in our mashed bananas plus our mixed fruits and nuts, pour in our cake batter into our baking dish, and we're ready to bake sa ating preheated oven at 180 degrees centigrade for about 30 minutes. And now we're ready to turn our banana cake upside down for our great reveal. Is it a yay or nay? Level it up with our toppings of dates, raisins, almonds, and peanuts, and serve.